Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to stop CapCut automatically updating. So this will be really helpful video. So follow the step by step tutorial. So for this firstly you have to install CapCut. So I have already installed the CapCut. So as you can see this I have already installed the CapCut, which is 6.00 beta test version. So now I will close this. So for stop updating you have to follow the step. So for this firstly you have to go to your C drive. So I will go to C drive and there you will find users option. So go to users and go to your PC and there you will get app data. So click on app data, low CapCut, user data and download. So there you have to create a file, which is you have to click left button and new, and there you have to click on text document. So in the text document name you have to select update dot exe. So save this file, click on yes, and in the update file you have to right click on it and you have to select on properties and read only. So click on read only, click on apply. So click on OK. So that's all for today. You have successfully done the CapCut automatically updating. So thank you so much for your time. If you face any problem, knock me in WhatsApp number in the video description, and see you in the next video.